I was completely blown away by the first place summit I went to and absolutely knew I would be back. It's re-energizing for me, and I love hearing about what new things are coming to the area, what other people in other cities are doing as far as placemaking. So it's just incredibly insightful, and I enjoy it a lot.
Bentonville's growing in leaps and bounds. I believe that placemaking is even more important in areas that are facing high growth, because you want that place to have some characteristic that continues to be the draw. You need something that gives that place its personality. And it takes for the people who are there to take part in creating that personality and creating that space so that it's not all lost as our cities grow.